Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Flying High with R&R. From previous videos, I taught you how to count from 0 to 20. I taught you some tips and tricks to make it easier for you to memorize it. So, I hope you have done your homework, so let's continue counting till 100. The first number that we are going to learn today is number 20. The German word for number 20 is Zwanzig. 20, Zwanzig. Before we move on to the other number, let me tell you something important. If you go through the internet, you will find some articles, videos, or even books, and you will find that some people pronounce Zwanzig as Zwanzig. That means sh sound, not g sound. You might be wondering whether one is incorrect and the other one is correct. No, actually both are correct. The reason is the dialect changes from northern to southern in Germany, like in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, there are so many ways to pronounce the same word. People in Kandy pronounce it in another way and people in southern area pronounce it in another way. So, likewise, German people also do that. To confirm this information, I talked to a native German speaker, a language teacher, and she told me that the people in North Germany, that means Norddeutschland, use Zwanzig, which is sh sound. In southern Germany, Süddeutschland, people use Zwanzig, like I pronounced it earlier. So she said that both are correct, but her recommendation is Zwanzig. So I want you to pronounce it as Zwanzig, but if you want to pronounce it as Zwanzig, it's also okay. But if you pronounce it as Zwanzig, it will be easier for you to memorize it when you are writing the letter. Okay, so let's move on to the other number, 21. 21. 21. 21. Let's make this easier. 21 means 1 and 20. Right? So, let's write the German words for 1 and 20 together. Eins for 1, und for and, 20 for 20. So it's basically 1 and 20. But here you have to omit the S in eins. So it's 21, not 21. Now, just write the three words together without any gaps. And when you are telling the number also, you have to say it without gaps. Try it with me. 21. 21, 21. 22, 22. 22, 22. This is also like 21. 22 means 2 and 20. 22. 22. Number 23, 23. Same pattern here also, 3 and 20. 23. 23. It's so easy, right? You just have to follow the pattern. I'll just simplify one more and then we'll get on with others quickly. Number 24. 24. 4 and 20. 24. 24. So now let's look at the other numbers right away. 25. 25. 25. 25. Don't forget the umlaut when you are writing 25. 26. 26. 26. 26. 27. 27. 27, 27. 28, 28. 28, 28. 29, 29. 29, 29. And 30, 30. 30, 30. Now you can count till 100 just by using this pattern. You just have to remember the words for 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Number 40, 40. Number 40, 40. Number 50, 50. Number 50, 50. Number 60, 60. Number 60, 60. Like in 16, which is 16, the S in Zex has gone away. So beware of the pronunciation here. It's not Sexig, it's Seshsig. Number 70, Zibzig. Number 70, Zibzig. Similar to 17, which is Zibsen, En in Sieben goes away. So it's not Sieben Zig, it's Zibzig. Once again, Zibzig. Number 80, Oxig. Number 80, Oxig. Number 90, Neunzig. Number 90, Neunzig. And the last one, number 100, which is pronounced in German as Hundert. But you can either say Hundert or 100. Like in English, you say 100 or 100. Both are correct. So, do you want a trick to memorize this? Just look at the pattern. Like numbers end with T, Ty in English, in German it ends with Zig. For example, 20, 30, 40 in English. In German, it's 20, 40, 50. 30 is an exception in German because you use scharfes S instead of Z. But the pronunciation is same. So that's the end. I have taught everything that you need to know when counting from 20 to 100. But I didn't show each and every number on screen because I taught you the pattern. So you'll be able to do it by yourself. Anyway, let's do an exercise. Übung. Exercise. Try to guess the numbers that I'm showing on screen. First one, 33. It's 33. Could you find it? I hope you got it. 45. 45. 56. 56. 68. 68. 72. 72. 84. 84. 97. 97. If you feel it's still confusing, here's another trick. Start from behind. Let's take the number 97. Number in behind is 7. So, write 7 first and then 90. 97. I'll give you homework for further practice. Homework, Hausaufgaben. What numbers are these? Was für Zahlen sind das? Comment down the answers. I'll see whether you got the correct answers or not. So here are the numbers. 38, 41, 55, 69, 73, 87 and 99. So, we are done for the day. Don't forget to comment the answers for your homework. And take a piece of paper and write every number starting from 0 to 100. Repeat it 2-3 times and you will be a master in counting in German language. Viel Glück! Bis nächste Mal. Tschüss!